November 2021, Sunrise, Florida. A routine disturbance call suddenly turns into a major police brutality scandal.
What did he say?
Whoever to 45 him.
Hey, young lady. Hey, one of y'all young ladies, can you help me? Because I was here right when
He was like
Give us a second, okay? We're trying to figure out what's going on.
two customers. He's one and he's like the guy.
Wait, go.
He's asking in the room that they don't have enough money. You know, we say, I can't give it to you.
Yeah, I do, but I'm saying, what are you talking about?
I'm going to tell you what happened.
Okay, go ahead. What happened?
Hold on, Mom.
All right, go ahead.
And I told him, like, hey, inside the store, he cannot ask the money to no one. And he started bullshitting with me. And he's like, hey, the guy, he's the owner. You know, and you talk to like that. He cannot, he made the rule over here. So, and he's like bribing me with him, and he came out. First of all, he right? And first,
201, 197, you can keep the air tenant.
so
What happened with he punched me and then he jumped on doors. That's it. Yeah. Okay.
What is Mata doing? I'm confused.
Correction 4, what are you doing?
I don't know what the fuck Mata's doing.
Me
When he
either.
walked out.
Okay, talk to me. Talk to me.
All right, my name is Jerry Burwell.
Hi.
All right? So when he walked out the store, right?
Uh-huh.
He walked out the store, this man right here. He walked out
This
the
one?
store.
This one? No, I'm saying this one
This
looks
one
like
right here.
Okay.
He hit him. I'm like,
He hit who?
he hit him.
Wait, I'm confused, but who hit him?
The guy, the young
the
guy
guy
right
that
there.
left.
Yeah.
Okay.
He hit him, right? He hit him. So he fell. When he said that, he fell, right? So we doing like this. So a brother right here,
Okay.
he's deaf, and his sister, and then he went off on them. Then he went like this to the back of my head, and went like this. Now, man, you're wrong. You hitting a woman.
He hit who?
He hit him,
No, I know he punched him, but what
punched
woman?
him, and with the papa, the man who worked for the store.
Yeah, I got it. Go ahead.
Watch this. Watch this.
I'm listening to you. I'm listening to you,
I'm
but I
saying,
gotta
I
watch
live in
my
neighborhood.
area.
But that
So
man, yeah. Well, my name, like I said, my name is Jerry Burwell. And thank you for being safe. You know
Thank
what
you.
you're doing.
so he goes and hits her.
You know, he goes like this, right? He hit Papa. I call him Papa. He hit him, right? When Papa that came out the store, he come to brings his stuff right there, still right there, right? He used to go like this. Next thing you know, the guy said, "You called me a punk," and swung on him.
And swung on him.
On him.
Okay.
Then he went to this. You see the video?
She's gonna watch
he
video.
start with him. So that is deaf.
Which one?
He's deaf. He talks sign language. You know what I mean? But that man ain't do shit. And the daughter did only right for his. My daughter can.
I'll get what Mario wanted. There's just
And then,
a lot of commotion.
and watch the video when he get my head like that.
Do we have a charge? That's what Delta wants to know. 31?
Here, come here.
Sorry, right now we just have a 31.
Robin. Damn. So, young lady, so anyway, I'm saying that we drinking beer, you know, neighborhood people.
Yeah, I just need to know if he punched all of these people. He hit everyone.
Yeah,
that one guy.
He started the fight, and you see on the video, hopefully,
Okay.
when you did me like this, I said, brother, you wrong for hitting on a woman.
Yeah. Okay. So he hit her, the one with the
Yeah,
feet.
then he did me in the back of the head like this. Like,
Okay. All right.
fuck
Then.
you up, too.
Okay.
Put on that camera. Don't
Yeah. Just give me a second. I just gotta see what's going on.
see the wheelchair.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm going. I'm late.
You're gonna get the camera and you're gonna identify him yourself.
Okay.
So it's definitely
31.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm still waiting on fire last night. But I don't know what the fuck she's doing over there.
Me either. I'm so confused.
I
So what the?
scared her to come over here.
Yeah, I'm confused.
Alright, he's about to show you right now. That's the boss right here. This is who my dad worked for.
Oh, this is your dad?
That's my father.
Okay.
He's deaf.
Y'all
go from outside. When you see my dad try after he knocked out some older gentleman. Is this guy? That's him right there. That's him right there.
Do you guys want to press charges?
Yeah, but that's
Shop.
Can you do me a favor? Get an affidavit.
Yes.
Yeah, he got blood all over him.
Hey! Sit down! Sit down! Sit down! Put your hands out of your pocket! What? Sit down! Sit down! Get your hands out of your pocket!
If you gonna shoot me, shoot me.
Get your hands out of your pocket! Put your hands out of your pocket! You got
Am I being arrested? No.
Get on the ground!
Am I being detained?
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! You only got tased!
Well, do what you gotta do.
Get on the ground! It's not working. You will get tased. Get on the ground!
Y'all steady approaching.
Get on the ground!
I ain't doing nothing.
Get on the ground! I'm gonna tase you. Get on the ground!
I got contact, guys. I got contact.
Get on the fucking ground!
right now. Drop down one knee, bro. Y'all all running up like what?
I feel like y'all dead. Y'all want me to get up now?
Get up.
Yeah. All right.
Sitting back my cold, man.
Take him. The haze? Now he got a crown.
What's wrong with your leg?
Look at my right leg. What happened to you?
No.
Right here. Right there. Right there.
All right, relax. Go on your side. Go on your side. Go on your side. He also dropped something in those bushes over there.
And he got an attitude because he know what he had.
So he just said everybody hold?
Yeah, I got you.
It's going to be 3398 North University Drive, 3398 University. Coming in from Cycle integrated at T-Mobile. It's showing a hold-up alarm. It's not advised to have an area vaccination. Cases 4749.
Well, he just said have everybody home, so I started stacking.
Stack it until we... I don't have no idea.
410 you can show me something.
I can't. She put in the fucking car. In the car. She put in the car on my wrist. When she got in the car.
And he has a 45 on the around. Break off and need to come over here.
He got just tell her to stop. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get your feet in. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. You want to games? Tell me what the wrong. You don't make me make you. Look at that motherfucker. You ever get disrespected? Move your. Do what you gotta do.
Can I see the update there? I don't understand that.
We clear?
Clarify that, please.
And I'll see you in about 5 minutes.
Alright, so what the update is stating is that they do have video surveillance available and what they
Holding up for a second alarm. You're acting like I'm running somewhere. I'm right here.
Look, can you stop putting the handcuffs on my wrist? God damn, you dumb assholes don't listen.
You're not stronger than me. Come here and go to it.
Alright, let's go.
Watch your head getting into the car.
Ah, miss, can you stop pulling the cuffs?
I can't. She put it in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car.
She's pulling the cuffs on my wrist.
Once you get in the car, she'll let go.
So why she started pulling?
So just get in the car.
She's gonna break my wrist.
Alright, just
Get
get in the
into the
car.
car.
Can y'all just tell her to stop?
Okay, get in the car.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
All right, I'm getting in.
Okay, I don't understand that. We clear? Yes, sir. And I'll see you in about 5 minutes.
Alright, so what?
I don't know what's happening. You need to go to me right now.
They do have video surveillance available when they see inside.
My car is-
The white female with the blonde
Someone give her a
hair,
ride.
ponytail, wearing black shirt,
In the car.
white tennis shoes. As well as
On my wrist, I can't move.
Marshall, let go.
So why you gotta do it?
So just get in the car.
Go break off it.
All right, just get in the car.
No, he doesn't want in the car.
Get in the car.
Just get in the car.
All right, I'm getting in. Get your feet in. What's up? Hey, look at me. Look at me. Look at me.
You want to
You play with the wrong.
do, man? You gonna mace me? Mace me.
You want to play games? You ever get disrespectful with my officers? I will stole from your body.
Do it, man. Do what you gotta do.
Don't ever touch me again.
Sir.
Get
Sir. Just let it be.
Okay, Barry, I don't understand that. We clear?
Yes, sir.
And I'll see you in about 5 minutes.
Alright, so what the update is stating is that they do have video surveillance available when they see inside is at the desk, the white female with the blonde hair, ponytail with black shirt, white tennis shoes, as well as a white male who's standing over her, wearing a light t-shirt, other in
Everybody turn off their cameras.
Following the official investigation, Sergeant Christopher Police was stripped of his badge and fired from the department in disgrace. He was charged with felony battery, but through a plea deal, he avoided jail time and was sentenced to probation, permanently ending his police career. On the other hand, Officer Emma Parsons was highly praised by the community and experts for her immense courage to stand up and do the right thing. What do you think about this as a sergeant's behavior and the final outcome? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we will see you in the next case.